Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. And also a big thank you to all of those that attended our webinar yesterday on Discord. I hope you got a lot out of it. Let's have a look at Bitcoin to start with, as we always do. Over the last few days, it's just been, the volatility has really dried up, and it's the same across the board. We do have a few outliers that are moving, but we think the volatility could be drying up, waiting for the CPI data announcement, which is due to happen tonight for us here in Australia. It's around 11:30 for US members. So we're just waiting out to see what that data is and what it says. And we know that markets do react to good or bad news. So if it's good, we could probably see the market spike a little bit. If it's bad, we could definitely see some selling off. But for the time being, Bitcoin is just very sideways. There is a level here that I'm keeping an eye on, where it has tested numerous times. We've had two recent tests, so if we do see some buying, that's the level that I'll be watching. But yeah, we'll just have to see how it reacts with this level. There's just no trend at the moment. ADA is one that's in the list for the lower time frames. The 1 hour is not looking too bad. We do have a level through here. One test, two test. It is a level. It has been respected. A quick buy back up into this level with a bearish candle is what I'm after on ADA. CVX is on the 2 hour. Let's have a look at this. Actually, let's have a look higher. Let's have a look at the daily. So we've got a nice daily, bullish momentum. Bit of a level through here. Probably down just a touch. Let's have a look at the 4. Right, so we do have a trend on the 4. High, 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 low. We've popped up through that level. Now we just need a bullish candle in that cradle zone. We have pushed out of that resistance level, so that's why CVX is in the list. ENS. Now ENS is a bit of a funny one. So let's have a look at the daily first. A really strong, nice, bullish daily trend. Did have a bullish candle there in the cradle zone on the daily. On the 4 hour, we do have a trend. We've got a high, high, and a high, low, another high, high. We're pulling back in and around that cradle zone. The moving averages are in the correct order. They've just crossed. The 8 hour, the moving averages are in the correct order. And you could argue that we do have an 8 hour trend. So it's in the list for that reason. It is a bit of a funny one. I know it's probably not everyone's cup of tea, but it is in the list, and I'm definitely keeping an eye on it to watch to see how this 4 hour candle closes. Hedera, daily time frame, nice bullish trend. We've got a higher high and a higher low. It is pushing higher. It is moving quite quickly, so it's the lower time frames that we're watching. This 1 hour, I was hoping for a deeper pullback. We didn't quite get that. Let's have a look at the 30. Yeah, the 30 is not good. Nice trend here, so a high high and a higher low. We have pushed high. If we did see some selling off and we get a nice bullish candle in that cradle zone, I'll want to know about it. I'm not saying I'll trade it. The trend is just a little bit messy, but I definitely want to know about it. And DeFi money. Let's have a look on the daily. Slowly grinding higher on this daily time frame. But if we look to the 12 hour, we do have a trend. High, so we just need to pull back just a little bit further and get that nice small bullish candle in that cradle zone. Let's have a look at the 8. See if that's telling us anything. Ooh. Tell you what, if that closes bullish, I'll want to know about it. This is a little bit messy. I don't like that. But I do like that we've had a higher high and a higher low. We've pushed higher and we're pulling back. A bullish candle in there. That won't be until later this afternoon. And we do have the CPI data announcement coming out. So I'm a little bit hesitant to be trading to the long side and the short side given that data announcement. So I'll be focusing on the lower time frames throughout the day and just doing multiple scans. We do have a few levels to keep an eye on these lower time frames. AVE is one, DOT, Filecoin, nice level through there. LDO is in the list. I believe I pointed this trade out on Tuesday. It was a nice trade, so that's just gone on to a pretty good profit. So well done to anyone that did take that. Matic has a nice level through there and one perp. So they're the ones that I'm just watching for levels. Watch to see how they interact with those levels, whether we get a breakout or a cradle trade, which is a break and a retest. But yeah, that's the list that I'll be watching for this morning. I'll do another scan early this afternoon and just focusing on those lower time frames because of that data announcement. But if you are in the community, feel free to reach out to myself or Lou. We're happy to help. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll chat to you guys soon.